Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I love YouTube. I've already had somebody, one of my people that evidently he's a subscriber because he helps me. He figures things out that I can't figure out, and I thank him for that. But also, I couldn't figure out why you couldn't select these two items and blend them. And Mike, this is for you. But if you ever get this and you can't blend it, I couldn't figure out what was wrong. Well, I'm going to take the whole page and put a black outline around it. Well, there it is right there. There's an extra box. So let's get rid of that box. Let's take away. Well, let's go back and select everything and no outline. And now you select them and you got your blend tool. But we still got this, and Mike, it's not your colors. This is what my internet friend, I'm going to call him, I had no clue. Grab the shape tool and you got this arrow going down here, but up here it's going over here. I had no clue in color. So let's just mirror it. Now with the shape tool, we got the arrow pointing the same direction. Let's see if it worked. Bam. Now, I don't know why there's a color between there that's not. Maybe we've got one more thing to figure out. Maybe it needs more than, you know what, it might need more than 200 blends because we're so small. Let's make it 300. Nope. Let's try looking at this again. Maybe let's mirror this one so they're going the same direction again. We'll mirror the opposite direction. Now both our arrows are pointing downward. So everybody's learning something tonight. Now let's try it. Voila. There's your blend. So if you ever have any problems like we're having, I had no clue that colors without an outline even had directional nodes. And I guess it's because you made the box and it's just there. So I thank that viewer or subscriber and hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.